Okay, Robert couldn't decide between boiled eggs or scrambled eggs, so we're going to do both. It's my second batch. He likes to call them tornado eggs, and you'll see why in 1 second. So just beat up some eggs. Boiling pot of water here. We're going to make our little tornado whirlpool in the boiling water. We're basically doing this so the eggs don't drop to the bottom of the pot and cook on the pot. So once this gets going, I'm going to pour the eggs in. Let them cook off just for about 1 minute. Keep stirring, they'll come up to the top. Time lapse. So that's been about a minute, so I'm going to carefully drain these off with a sieve. Pour the eggs out. There, until the eggs are out of the water. So drain them off. Eggs are all done. And a little plate. Slide them off. There's a little bit of olive oil. Good salt. A bit of pepper. What are you eating?
No, tornado eggs.
Tornado eggs. Are they delicious?
Yeah.
Good.
Yum.